Is it?
It's this.
Think you already had some good burgers in your life? I'm going to show you how to make them even better. Most people think they've made some good burgers in their life, and they probably have made some decent burgers. But there are some secrets there that will make your burger amazing. This is what I'm talking about. This, well, it's just a bunch of meat that comes out of the bottom of my freezer. That's right, because the best burgers are made out of scrap meat. Now that may sound a little weird for most people, but the bottom of my freezer looks like a big pile of scrap meats. For instance, the video that we made before, we made brisket, and look at this. A big pile of Wagyu fat, Wagyu meat, and all kinds of goodness. We're not throwing that away, this is gold, pure gold. Especially when you're making burgers. Like this part is like, well, some undefined part of meat that's too tough to grill like a steak or turn into something really tasty, but too good to throw away too. And it has a lot of flavor. And what do you want with a burger? You want a lot of flavor. Now I'm cutting all of that scrap steak into cubes so we can grind it up. But I'm making sure that I'm keeping the consistency of 80% meat and 20% fat. So by adding the Wagyu fat, we're making this an insane burger with the right consistency. Then we're going to grind this up, and with this beautiful meat, I like to grind it only once so we have a nice coarse structure. If you don't have scrap meat at the bottom of your freezer like I do, you can always ask your butcher because he has a lot of scrap meat laying around. Just ask for some meat that he would otherwise sell you as soup meat. The important part here is that you control your own consistency by grinding the meat yourself. And then this is what we end up with. Beautiful, dark, grind, red, dry-aged meat, Wagyu fat, all ground up together. So we have a lot of flavor, a lot of texture. Absolutely perfect for our burger patties. Let's do the rest of the preparation. I'm going to portion up our ground meat and I'm compressing it in my hand so we end up with beautiful balls. Now it's time to make our burger sauces, starting with a mayo mustard sauce. We're using half a cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mustard. Mix it all up. Now this should give you some real acidity on your burger. That's what you need, creaminess and acidity. Then we're moving on to our sweet whiskey burger sauce. Starting with half a cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, few drops of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of whiskey and 2 tablespoons of raw cane sugar. Heat that up until you get that syrupy bubble and all the crystals from the sugar dissolve. This will give you a hint of sweetness and that oak barrel flavor. Time to fire up our Kamado Joe Jr. We got our Kamado Joe Jr. hot. We got a cast iron plate on because that's gonna make the best crust. Now we need to grease it up. And what better way to do it with a little bit of Wagyu fat. Look at that, the fat is melting instantly, greasing up the plate. Now that our plate is all greased up, we're gonna put some onions on. We're going to let these turn soft on the plate. A little bit more grease. A little bit of fleur de sel. Then we're going to take our beautiful meatballs, put them on top of the onion and start pressing. And what that is going to do is create the ultimate amount of crust on our burger. These are going to be some amazing burgers. Look at that. They won't look like super clean, fantastic burgers, but they're going to taste even better. The patties are grilled and it's time to start building up our burger. Of course, our base is made of a beautiful crispened up bun, followed by a lettuce shield to prevent the bun from getting soggy. Spread on that mayonnaise sauce, followed by the burger patties, which we layered with some authentic Dutch cheese, which we sliced ourselves. Some tomatoes, pickles, and finally our sweet whiskey sauce. Then we'll put the top on. Now that looks like a proper burger. Any good burger starts with a good burger patty. We got that covered, but we added much more. We made sure we had that crispy bun. We made sure we had a leather shield to prevent the burger from getting soggy. We had our fresh sliced cheese with real Gouda cheese. We just need to dig in and eat our burger.
Oh man.
I really want to tell you something, but I really also want to keep eating.
This is Wagyu. I can tell you that this has definitely Wagyu fat in it.
You know, there's a science to making a good burger. I think we nailed it with this one.
You got the crunch from the smashing. You got the perfect structure. It's fat. It's perfect.
The cheese is rich and creamy. Even though it's young cheese, it's not just popping out there and destroying the whole burger. You can still taste the patty.
That mayonnaise mustard sauce, that's really good. It's sour on its own.
But really, with a good burger, the sauce brings the burger together. And that mayonnaise sauce, it definitely brings the burger together.
It's just one of the most amazing burgers I ever had. And they all came from Roel. I'm not even exaggerating. Is it that bad?
Yeah, you can use it.
all right. I'm just
messing
gonna.
up the merch.
No.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then let us know and give us a big thumbs up. Oh, and don't forget to check out our new merch. Got the Superlicious barbecue in the back, and well, it's winter time coming, so we definitely need some different merch. No more t-shirts here, man. Big thank you to our patrons, YouTube members. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.
That's right. It was a really good burger. You're messing up my floor.
No.
Yes.
Have you seen Pulp Fiction? Where Samuel Jackson talks about the perfect burger.
It's the same thing like this did?
It's this.
So, how do you like the new merch?
I love it.
I had to make it because people were expecting something from you. Because you never deliver on the merch. Last time you told them it's coming. It's not coming. So I made you guys some. Hope you guys like the hoodies. Just let us know what you think of the new merch. I know I do enjoy it with this weather. A little bit of warmth. It's always welcome.
It's coming one day.
It's definitely not coming.